Hello friends. Hello friends. We look into the four strokes of an IC engine. Okay. So we have got four positions here. You can see 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now we will see the four strokes of an IC engine. So this is a four stroke engine. So it has got valves here. You can see inlet valve and the exhaust valve here. So now if the inlet valve is pressed, so it means the inlet valve is open and the exhaust valve is closed. Okay. And here we have got a spark plug. Now let us see the first stroke. In the first stroke, the extreme left diagram what we are having, this is the suction stroke. So here the piston moves from top dead center to the bottom dead center. As the piston is moving from the top dead center to the bottom dead center, the inlet valve gets opened as we are seen in the valve timing diagram. And when the inlet valve gets pressed, then the inlet, it is connected to the inlet port, so the air fuel mixture enters the cylinder. So this is the suction stroke where the air fuel mixture is sucked into the engine cylinder and only the inlet valve is open. Exhaust valve is closed. Now second stroke is the compression stroke. Here both the inlet and exhaust valves are closed and the piston moves from bottom dead center to the top dead center. As the piston moves from the bottom dead center to the top dead center, it compresses the air fuel mixture which was sucked in the suction stroke, and the piston at the end reaches the top dead center and the air fuel mixture is compressed. In the That is why it is known as compression stroke. In the first stroke there is suction, the sucking of air fuel mixture or air in diesel engine, so it is called a suction stroke. Whereas in the second stroke this air fuel mixture or air in diesel engine is compressed, so it is known as compression stroke. Then as the piston is approaching TDC, then there is a ignition of due to spark plug and the charge starts burning. So the third stroke is the power stroke or power stroke, where the piston moves from top dead center to the bottom dead center. Here, due to the ignition of the air fuel mixture, the lot of pressure is generated in the small space. There is no way that this pressure can diffuse. The only way is it pushes the piston downwards with a heavy force, and due to this the power is generated in this particular stroke, and this is known as power stroke, where the piston moves with a lot of force from the top dead center to the bottom dead center. Now when by the time the piston moves to the bottom dead center, all the air fuel mixture is burnt. Now the last stroke, that is the exhaust stroke, is to throw away the air fuel mixture outside the cylinder, so that the next cycle can commence and the charge, that is air fuel mixture, can be sucked. In a petrol engine, air and fuel both are sucked, but whereas in a diesel engine, in the suction stroke only the air is sucked. That should be clear. So in the exhaust stroke, the piston moves from BDC to the TDC, uh, and whatever exhaust gases are there, burnt gases are there, they are thrown out. See, you can see here in the compression and the power stroke, both the valves are closed. Whereas in the inlet suction stroke, inlet valve is open, and in the last exhaust stroke, exhaust valve is open. So now the exhaust stroke, the exhaust valve gets opened, and as the piston moves from bottom dead center to the top dead center, the burnt gases are pushed out by the piston. This process is also known as scavenging, and all the burnt gases are thrown out to the exhaust manifold, and this process is carried out in the exhaust stroke. So there are four strokes of the engine.